Okay, Jaffna Hindi College paper, first term paper, science. Underline the most suitable answers. Here, first question. To which group does Cycas belongs? To which group does Cycas belongs? So, all the plants can be divided into two. First one, flowering plant and non-flowering plant. Flowering, non-flowering plant, there are some non-flowering plant we have to remember. Salvinia, Fans, Drinaria, Moss, Cycas and Cypress. You have to remember Salvinia, Ferns, Drinaria, Moss, Cycas and Cypress. So, Cycas is a non-flowering plant. Cycas is a non-flowering plant. You have to remember, there's a shortcut to remember. Salman Fathers, Dr. Mother, Cycle Cylinder. So these come under the non-flowering plant. So a plant having storage roots. So beetle has climbing roots. Sugarcane has storage stem, and pandanus still root. Sweet potato, storage root. So storage root presents in the carrot, beet, manioc, and sweet potato. So answer is a sweet potato. Pandanus, still root. Then let's move question number 3. What property of water is used to make drinks? There are 3 property of water we have to remember. Water is a solvent, water is a coolant, water is a medium of life. So these are the 3 properties of life you have to remember. So in coolant we use water in order to cool the energy in the radiator. As a solvent, we use water as a solvent to make drinks and dissolve salt and dissolve acid in water to prepare battery acids and dissolve medicines. So water we act as a solvent to make drinks. So medium of property, if we take medium of property, habitat, fish lives in water and water helps to digestion in human and excretion in human. For example, urinations. Water dissolves urea and removed from our bodies. So let's move. Fourth question. A feature of monocotyledons plants. So monocot plants. Example for monocot, coconut. You have to remember monocot is a coconut. Coconut is a monocot. So if you take the coconut plant, it has a fibrous root systems and parallel venations, not radiculate venations. Monocot plant has a parallel venations and branch system. No branch. So this statement is wrong. Reticulate venation, it shows parallel venation. Coconut shows parallel venation. And branched systems, no, unbranched. Coconut has unbranched. Coconut has unbranched. And flower petals 4 or 5. No, coconut flower has 3 petals. Because of that we say trimerous plant. So here answer is fibrous root system. So fibrous root systems. The positive terminal of the simple cells. Simple cells. This is the simple cells. We get electricity from the simple cells. So we use dilute sulfuric acids and zinc plates and copper plates. Here zinc plate is a negative terminal, copper plate is the positive terminal. So positive terminal of simple cell is copper Then tell me, what about the dry cells? What is the positive terminal of dry cells? What is the positive terminal of dry cells? It's the carbon rod. In the dry cells, zinc seed is the negative. Zinc container is the negative terminal in the dry cells. In the dry cell, positive terminal is carbon rod, negative terminal is zinc container. But in the simple cells, positive terminal is copper sheet and negative terminal is zinc sheet. Let's move the question number 6. What is the method of dispersal of given seeds? So in this, there are 3 methods of seed dispersal. First one is by wind, by water, by animals, and fourth method is by explosive mechanisms. So by wind, cotton, eruku or wara, enne or hora, tanaku or gammaru. So here in this plant we can see it has wings. So these wings helps to disperse seeds by winds. So seed dispersed by animals, example tomato, pepper, chili, castors, pulinagam. Those seeds are dispersed by animals. And by water, arecanut, coconut, kottamba, kulitti or diakat or lotus. Those seeds dispersed by waters. Question number 7. The symbol of electronic component that's shown in the figure. This is the capacitors. This is the figure source in the capacitors. The function of capacitor. This is the bulb. This is the bulb, symbol of bulb. This is symbol of diode. This is symbol of dry cells. This is symbol of capacitors. Which group contains warm blood animals? Which group contains warm blood animals? So only the birds and mammals contain warm blood animals. So warm blood animals mean their body temperature does not change. So that means body temperature remains constant. If you go wherever, the body temperature remains constant. So body temperature of mammals, body temperature of birds does not change. So here, fish, their body temperature change because they are not mammals and they are not mammals, they are not